Okay, welcome back. Just doing a quick little unboxing of another brand of soft pastels that I use, and that is the Soft Pastels by Rembrandt. This is their half-length 30 pastels in this general selection box. Now, if you watched my previous video on the unboxing of the Sennelier, which was this one over here, these were the extra soft pastels, quite expensive. This is going to be the mid-range pastel that I would kind of recommend for beginners, really, but I will go into all those details in the actual upcoming class on pastels, so do check that out and have a look at the description below for the reviews and other views and see how much these cost. These are, like, again, these are a mid-range, so these are not going to be nowhere near as expensive as the Sennelier, and in terms of the actual quality of the pastel, they're very good. It's absolute solid pastel. They're a soft pastel. They're not extra soft like the Sennelier, but they're just a standard soft. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly do an unboxing of this, get a bit of a zoom in on the camera, and let's have a look at this one. Now, I've not had this particular one before. Again, I thought for the unboxings and for my class, I thought I'll buy a couple of boxes just to kind of like replenish the colours that I've already got, and I've just gone for the general range, so no specific range. Even with the Sennelier, there's so many different ranges you can buy. You can buy specific pastels for landscapes, for seascapes, for different types of work that you're doing. So the box itself, very nice, very solid, beautifully done. Nice little picture of the pastels there. Soft pastels, artist quality, and there's my daughter in the background making noise as usual. So just don't mind her. She's just giving her commentary. So this is the Rembrandt, the professional choice. Very good brand, absolute solid. Royal Talons, that's the company name. Rembrandt's is one of their kind of product company names. I think I got that right. Anyway, do check that out. Anyway, so on the back, I'm just moving this little sleeve off. So on the back of this, you've just got, again, you've got the colours that are in this particular set. On the side here, you've got all the colour codes. Now, it's always difficult to find out what actual pastel is what code unless they have like a wrapper on them, and you tend not to get wrappers on the half pastels like this. You tend to get them on the full ones, so I guess that's always an issue sometimes. But you can also always make a swatch of the colour and, you know, just code it on a piece of paper. And again, I'm going to come up with all them like illustrations and ideas in my class, so do check that out when it comes out. So at the back, all it says is mastering your inspiration, looking at the world behind the reality, feeling how the elements adapt to a single will, working with colours and techniques that give shape to this deepest of inspiration. That is art. Yes, I would agree, that is art, and it can be a lot of other things art. Right, so beautiful packaging over here, nice bit of gloss on the logo type there, so let's just lift that out. As expected, it's usually the standard with pastels. You get a nice little soft bit of foam on top to cover them up, and there you have it. There's the range. Beautiful, gorgeous, soft pastels. I really like this range of colours. This is why I thought, you know what, I'm just going to add this to the my set. All my pastels are all in trays. They're all opened up, but I tend to keep them in order of brand, from, you know, hard, soft to extra soft, and these ones are absolutely brilliant, and these are the ones I always advise all my students to get. So let's just do a quick little demonstration of this pastel, and let's just get out some of this normal pastel paper. This isn't anything like expensive or you know high quality paper. It's just a standard bog standard paper. So let's just take out maybe let's have a look at this nice purple. Now, I'll just show you this on the camera here. You've got a real nice little half stick there. It's a good rounded pastel, so you're not getting any chips off the corner. You've got a nice sharp little edge on the side, and let me just, I think I need to entertain my little daughter with something, so I think I'll give her, let's give her this toy. There you go. Do you want to play with this? Go on, play with that. Good girl. Okay, stop making noise. Let Daddy continue with the unboxing. So just grab hold of that pastel, and what we're going to do is we're just going to drag it down, and it works really nice. You can see, I'll just zoom in on that for you. So yeah, so you've got a really nice you know, spread of colour. You can go in on the side, works beautifully, and you can use this for detail, which is something that I absolutely love with this pastel. It's not too hard and it's not too soft. It works really nice as a mid-range pastel in terms of softness, and it's nice and vibrant. So there we have it. Let's just do a quick little spread. So you can see you get a nice little spread over there. It's nowhere near as soft as the extra soft Sennelier pastels that we looked at in the previous video, but obviously it's not gonna, because it's not extra soft, but it's got more a clay inside it, more binder inside it to make it a little bit more hard. So it works great for detail, and it's a great beginner's pastel in my opinion. So let's just put that back in the box, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little unboxing. As I said, I'm doing an entire class for beginners on pastels, so if you're interested in that, do follow me on Instagram, do subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. I'm hoping to start the actual class within the next couple of weeks, so maybe December 2019, mid-December, or maybe just before Christmas. Hopefully I'll have the class ready and you'll be alerted about that. So thank you so much for your time and help. I hope you enjoy the unboxing. Keep sketching, take care of yourself, and peace.